Hello, this is Joan of Arc.
And Bea.
We are testing our new gadget. It's something like this.
It's my gift.
And yes, that's her gift to me. This
Yes.
one, yay!
For her vlog.
for my vlog. So a little upgrade here. Thank you.
From her fellow vlogger.
Of course, from the master vlogger. And so, what Ilonggo word? Try lang. So it's not really an Ilonggo word, but it has evolved when we're testing something like this one. Tilaw,
Tilaw.
tilaw lang. Tilaw. Or a smaller version of the tilaw or try, like a trial or a test run. So, tilaw lang or try lang. So, yeah, success. This is Joan of Arc.
And Bea.
Until our next vlog. Bye for now.